Data modeling in Power BI is essential for transforming raw data into insightful reports. Start by understanding your data sources, whether it's Excel, SQL, or cloud services. Use the Power Query Editor to clean and shape your data. This is where you can filter out unnecessary rows and columns, ensuring your model is efficient. Next, establish relationships between your tables. This is crucial for creating a coherent data model. Use star schema design, fact tables for metrics and dimension tables for context. This structure enhances performance and simplifies your DAX calculations. Speaking of DAX, mastering it allows you to create powerful measures and calculated columns. Focus on functions like calculate and filter to derive meaningful insights. Remember, the goal is to make your data tell a story that drives decision-making. Finally, always validate your model. Check for accuracy and performance before sharing your reports. A well-structured data model not only improves your analysis, but also empowers stakeholders to make informed decisions.